Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2020 ACURA TLX and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover 2020 ACURA TLX locations, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Engine compartment fuse box type A. In the 2020 ACURA TLX, the engine compartment fuse box type A houses essential fuses and relays for key engine functions. It's located under the hood for easy access. This fuse box protects components like the headlights, ignition system, and fuel pump. Engine compartment fuse box type B. The engine compartment fuse box type B supports secondary electrical functions. This fuse box covers components such as the cooling fan, ABS, and other auxiliary systems. Driver's side interior fuse box type A. The 2020 ACURA TLX driver's side interior fuse box type A is located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. It manages fuses for interior electronics, like the dashboard lights and power windows. This fuse box ensures the proper functioning of key cabin features. Driver's side interior fuse box type B. The driver's side interior fuse box type B is positioned under the driver's dashboard. It controls fuses for advanced systems such as the audio unit and navigation. This fuse box ensures the reliable performance of additional interior electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.